I went all the way to South Korea to find the best mechanical keyboard for the best value and bring it home. And I think I found it. Seoul is an amazing city. The food is incredible, the culture, the streets at night, all lived up to everything I'd heard before. But there was one specific reason I went there. One store. It's called Fun Keys. And if you're into mechanical keyboards at all, it's kind of a pilgrimage. Every wall, every shelf, every corner, keyboards and switches. Hundreds of them. It's the kind of place where you walk in just to look around and you end up walking out many hours later having tested everything and wondering, where did the time go? So that's exactly what I did. I tested as many keyboards as I could, and I was looking for one thing, and one thing only. The best possible keyboard for the lowest possible price.
Nope. 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 Nope.
And after all that testing, one keyboard kept pulling me back. The Aula F75 Max with Leobog Reaper switches. Now, I've covered the original F75 before here on this channel. It's a great board, but it had some issues I couldn't ignore. So today we're finding out if the F75 Max actually has fixed them, and if this is the best value for you. Right off the box, this thing comes with custom keys in case you want to make it all black and white, a rubber USB-A to USB-C cable, a key puller, a few extra switches, and of course, the keyboard itself. And first impressions, this thing looks really good. The case is ABS plastic, but it's dense, it's heavy. It comes in at a close to a kilogram, which actually makes it feel more like a premium board than a budget one. And trust me, I have tested plenty of these plastic case keyboards out there. It doesn't flex, this one doesn't flex, it doesn't creak, it just sits on your desk and it means business. And then there's two little features that make this board stand out at this price range. First, the action knob. It's tactile, clicky per notch, and smooth. Once you've used a keyboard with a knob included, going back feels a bit like a downgrade. And then we have the TFT screen. It shows your battery level, your connection mode, time, caps lock status, and yes, you can put a GIF on it. Wait a second. Is it GIF or GIF? It's GIF. So GIF, or is it Jeff? It's Jeff, obviously. Wait, that doesn't matter. GIFs, this amazing little animation that makes your whole typing session just a little more aesthetic, a little more chill. We'll talk more about both of these features in a second. The F75 Max ships with Leobog Reaper switches, a 5-pin linear switch with 45 grams actuation and light diffusers built right into the stem housing. They come factory lubed, and honestly, the lube job here is pretty consistent. Sometimes it's a little too much, but the sound that it comes out is just that right there is completely stock. There are no mods. In terms of acoustics, the board has an IXPE switch pad, a PT sound pad, pour and foam, all layered up, like a sound engineer designed the inside. The Aula F75 Max offers 3-mode connectivity, which means Bluetooth 5.0, 2.4 GHz wireless connection with the provided dongle, and USB-C wired connection. It pairs up to 5 devices and switching is seamless. Software. It's Aula's custom driver. It's not VIA, it's not QMK. Download it from their site. It gives you key remapping, macro recording, RGB customization, screen control, and profile storage. Now, is this the most beautiful software you've ever used? Probably not. Does it do everything that you need? Probably yes. Just note the software only works in wired USB mode. It's a minor thing, but plan accordingly. Battery life here sits around 30 hours with full RGB lights on and up to 80 hours with all of it off. Now, back to the screen. I want to be fair here. The implementation isn't perfect. It's a fairly small screen. It's around 0.85 inches, not even 1 inch, and it gets dimmer when you're not looking at it straight on. In a brightly lit room, it will compete with your ambient light. But for what it does, it's showing your battery level, your connection mode, time, and it's actually quite useful. And the GIF support is just pure fun. The knob here is a little bit better than the normal Aula F75. It's more tactile, more deliberate per notch. And the catch is that you do have to navigate through the screen interface to use some of the knob's functions by actually pressing on the knob. A minor annoyance, but it's worth knowing. So here's the bottom line. I went to Seoul, I walked into Funkeys, I tested wall after wall of keyboards, and the one I kept coming back to, the one that made the most sense to bring home, was an $80 board. That's the whole story of what's happening in this hobby right now. The ceiling keeps rising, but the floor keeps getting better as well. The Aula F75 Max isn't perfect. The screen has limits, the software isn't VIA, and the knob's full functionality takes a few more taps than it should. But at the core of it, the build, the sound, the wireless, the stabs, the switches, for what you pay, it's honestly amazing. Now, would you personally go for the Leobog Reaper switches, or would you drop in your own switch? Let me know in the comment section down below. I'm super curious what you would pick personally for pairing with this board. So that's it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, a like would be super appreciated, as well as make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification icon so you don't miss any of these videos, video reviews, and that is all to make you a better enthusiast of the beautiful world of mechanical keyboards. I hope to see you in the next one, where we'll continue to review these beautiful, gentle machines.